Estimated sum and actual sum. The first problem we discuss 54,321 plus 46,833. Here we add the ones place, tens place, thousands place, hundred place and 10,000s place. We get the answer 1,01,154, which is the actual sum. Then we going to the estimated sum, estimating in 10,000s place. Estimating 10,000s place, we look at thousands place. Thousands place is 5 or more than 5. Then increase the digit at the 10,000s place by 1 and the remaining digits are 0. Remaining digits in the places 1000, 100, tens and ones places are 0. If the digit at a thousands place is less than 5, then replace the 1000, 100, tens and ones digit by 0, keeping all the digits same. In this problem, 54,321 rounding off to the nearest 10,000s. So we look at the thousands place. Thousands place is 4. So 10,000s place have no change. Then the remaining 1000, 100, tens, ones place are 0. Then we get 15,000. Then the next number is 46,833. We look at the thousands place. Thousands place is 6. It is more than 5. So 10,000s place change to the next number, or 10,000s place increases by 1. So it become 5. Then we get 15,000. Then add these two numbers, we get 1 lakh. So the actual sum is 1,01,154 and the estimated sum is 1 lakh. Next problem, add 65,432 and 18,679. Here add the numbers, we get 84,111. Rounding off the numbers, 65,432 and 18,679. The first number 65,432, rounding off nearest to the 10,000s place. So we look at the thousands place. Thousands place is 5. 5 or more than 5. Increase the 10,000s place by 1. So 6 become 7. It becomes 17,000. And rounding the numbers 18,679 nearest to the 10,000s place. So we look at the thousands place. Here thousands place is 8. So increase the digit at 10,000s place by 1. So 1 become 2. Then we get 20,000. Then add the sum, we get 19,000. So the actual sum is 84,111 and the estimated sum is 19,000. Second problem, add 1,63,452 and 7,65,963. Add these two numbers, we get 9,29,415. Then we have to find out the estimated sum. So rounding the numbers in 10,000s place. So rounding the number 1,63,452 to the nearest 10,000s place. We look at the thousands place, it is 3. So there is no change in 10,000s place. Then the remaining 1000, 100, tens and ones places are 0. Then we get the rounding number 1,16,000. Then the next number is 7,65,963 rounding to the nearest 10,000s place. We look at the thousands place, it is 5. So 10,000s place change to the next number, 6 become 7. So we get the answer 7,17,000. Add these two numbers, we get 9,13,000. Actual sum is 9,29,415 and the estimated sum is 9,13,000. Then the next one, actual difference and estimated difference. Here the question is 98,654 and 45,847. Subtract these two numbers, we get 52,807. Then find out the estimated sum. Rounding the numbers, 98,654 in 10,000's place. Here 10,000's place is 9. So we look at the thousands place. Thousands place is 8. So it is more than 5. So 10,000's place increase the digit by 1. So 9 become 10. So we get 1 lakh. And the second number 45,847. Rounding the numbers in the 10,000's place. We look at the thousands place. Here thousands place is 5. 5 or more than 5 increase the digit at 10,000's place by 1. So 4 become 5. The remaining places are 0. We get 15,000. Then subtract these numbers. We get 15,000. So the actual difference is 52,807 and the estimated difference is 15,000. Next one is subtract 6,87,145 and 3,94,256. Subtract these two numbers, we get the answer 2,92,889. We have to find out the estimated sum. Then rounding the numbers in 10,000's place. So the first number we look at the thousands place. Thousands place is 7. It is 5 or more than 5. 10,000's place is changed to the next number. So 8 become 9 and the remaining places are 0. So we get the answer 6,19,000. Then the next number 3,94,256, rounding to the nearest 10,000. We look at the thousands place. Thousands place is 4. So there is no changes in 10,000's place and the remaining places are 0. So we get 3,19,000. Then subtract the numbers, we get 3 lakh. So the actual difference is 2,92,889 and the estimated difference is 3 lakh.